Hello, the beautiful people. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Um, Aliexpress shipment generally takes 21 to 28 days minimum, and it's one of the main reasons to fail as dropshipping business in 2019 to upcoming years, because no buyers don't want long shipment systems like this. But don't worry, today I will show you how to find quick shipment products from AliExpress and how to shipping your products in 3 to 4 days. Wow. So if you like the video, please subscribe and share our videos. So let's get started. Okay, first open your browser and search AliExpress. Now you can see here it's United States, ship to, save, search your products. I'm searching eyelashes. Here you can see ship from. Select United States and select fast shipping. Okay. Open the first product. Now you select United States. You can see here estimate delivery 1 to 5 days. If you want to add this product, here we have used an extension oberlo. You can put from here. If you have not, then search here. Sorry. Google extensions, search. After that, search oberlo. You can see the oberlo extension here. It's already installed on our PC. So if you have not, you can see here's a button, add to Chrome. After that, you can see the icons here. You can push the products to oberlo to your Shopify store. It's the main fastest method to ship your products to your customers in 3 to 5 days. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and stay with us. Thank you.